Hello, everybody. This is Lydia Alverson back with another video, and today I'm going to demonstrate for you all how I check my emails on my Mac using the voiceover screen reader. Now, for those who are blind or visually impaired, for this demo I decided I wanted to switch to the Alex voice. Yeah, I was feeling bored. So, anyway, without further ado, let's get started. So I'm just going to go ahead and open Mail with Spotlight.
Spotlight, system dialog, Spotlight search text field, blank.
And for those of you guys that are not familiar with Spotlight, it's basically an easier and quicker way to search for whatever you're looking for on your Mac.
Spotlight search. Application, close button. Mail, inbox, 13 messages, window, messages, table, no selection. Has keyboard focus.
Okay, so I'm in the Mail app. So, like I stated earlier, my main focus today is basically how I check, for incoming messages. Now, usually you would get a notification letting you know that you have an incoming message, but it only works if this application is open in the background. So, I'm gonna go ahead and interact with this.
In messages table, no selection, sort by date menu button.
So I have a couple options here that allow me to sort my menu options, or sort my messages by date, or to filter them.
Faith Gateway today, left brace, Ravi Zacharias, right brace. There is always a point of exclusion. Yesterday, I am the way and the truth and the life. No one comes to the Father except through me.
These are actually daily devotionals by Faith Gateway, and I somehow got on this mailing list when I signed up for YouVersion.
Faith Gateway today, praying to know God as Lord over every area of your life. 4/6/19 God wants to lead you to places. Faith Gateway today, doing life with your adult children.
Okay. And alternatively, I can VO left through here to navigate backwards. But I'm just going to go ahead and go to the very first message.
Sort by date menu button.
VO right back.
Faith Gateway today, left brace, Ravi Zacharias.
Alright. So, I'm going to stop interacting with this. Pardon the background noise, you guys.
Out of messages table.
And now I'm going to go to the bottom of the window.
Embedded, Faith Gateway today, new line. I am the way and the truth and the life. No one comes to the Father except through me. John.
Okay, so I can have VoiceOver read the message to me this way. But say I wanted to go ahead and navigate the message if I wanted to. All I have to do is simply hit Command O to open the message. Now, by the way, this is not a VoiceOver specific command. It is system-wide. And I believe it would be the same as Control O to open anything in Windows.
Open messages. Now in left brace, Ravi Zacharias, right brace. There is.
Now in the actual message, now I'm given a few options. I can reply to this message, delete it, reply all, forward it if I wanted to. But I'm going to go ahead and just navigate through the message by using the arrow keys.
Space. I am the way and the truth and the life. No one comes to the Father except through me. John 14:6.
And I could read the message this way. And that's pretty much all there is to it when it comes to checking emails. I'm just gonna go ahead and close this window now.
Close. Now in inbox, 13 messages.
And say I wanted to delete this message. Now I'm not gonna do that. But say I wanted to delete this message, all I have to do is just simply hit the delete key. But if I wanted to delete all of these messages in here, all I have to do is hit Command A to select all and hit the delete key. And it actually comes in handy if you're emptying your trash folder. Now I'm gonna go ahead and hit. Actually, I'm gonna get out of here.
Embedded. Faith Gate.
Yeah. Okay.
Toolbar.
Whoops. Let's see.
Embedded. Messages table.
Sorry about that.
Vertical splitter. Messages table.
Oh.
In messages table. Sort by date menu button. And out of messages table.
Alright. Now I'm going to go ahead and quit out of here.
Finder. Desktop. Macintosh HD volume.
And. Sorry.
Application. Close button. Capture. Close button. Close button. Capture button. Options. Stop screen.
Okay. So I hope you guys enjoyed this little demonstration. If you did, please feel free to like and subscribe. and share these videos because I post content like this maybe every month or so, along with some other miscellaneous things. So, with that being said, until next time, thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next one.